Alam ng karamihan sa atin na malaki ang puhunang na kailangan to have a rental properties. Sa video na ito, ipapakita po sa inyo meron 3 paraan paano kumita ng rental income na maliit or wala halos need na puhunan. Possible na ang iba sa mga ito ay ngayon mo lang malalaman. If bago ka lang sa ating channel, please subscribe and select all para ma-notify ka sa ating mga susunod na video. 1. Subleasing. Paano ito nagwo-work? Si landlord ay may lease agreement, contract, with the original tenant. The original tenant ay kukuha ng another tenant or tinatawag na subtenants and meron din silang sublease agreement or contract. Subtenants will pay rental to the original tenant, then the original tenant will pay rent to the landlord. Sa ganitong paraan, effort lang kailangan na puhunan. Para kumita si original tenant, dapat mas malaki ang total rent payment from subtenants compare sa rent na binibigay niya kay landlord. Subleasing depends on the agreement or contract between landlord and the original tenant. Some or most landlord won't allow subleasing. 2. REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Investor will buy shares on REIT. The management will use the fund to acquire property assets. The rental income will be collected from the tenants, and portion of the income goes back to the investor in the form of dividend. Other option to earn is via price appreciation by selling his shares with higher price. Minimum capital is 1,000 pesos. 3. Referral system. Seller will tell a friend or others he knows that he's selling his property. The middleman will market the property via Facebook Marketplace or word of mouth to the buyer. The negotiation will happen first between the buyer and the middleman. The middleman will relay the information to the seller if in case the buyer will ask for a lower price of the property. If nagkaroon na ng deal, the buyer will directly give the payment mostly in cash or check to the seller. Once nabayaran na si seller ng buyer, bibigyan na yon ni seller si middleman na tinatawag na commission fee, and that depends kung magkano ang usapan nila ni middleman. Sa paraan na ito, effort lang ang puhunan mo. 3 paraan kumita ng property rental income na maliit or walang puhunan. 1. Subleasing. 2. REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. 3. Referral system. See you on our next video. Thanks for watching.